Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the OPPO Find X9 and I'm going to tell you how to fix when your screen rotation is not working. At first, we need to, of course, unlock our device, and what I do recommend doing at first is going into the control panel, so scrolling from the top right corner to the middle one, and here you have to find auto rotate over here. Disable it and enable it back again using just a simple tap. It should fix your issue, but if it doesn't, what I do recommend doing here is to tilt your phone to test gyroscope in different applications. So for example, we can test it in Gemini. If it does work, as you can see here, it does. If it doesn't work in the home screen, for example, is only a glitch, so don't worry. Test it in the multiple applications. If it does work, for example, Facebook, Instagram settings, so menu settings, but Gemini, Amazon, Temu, or everything that Temu does have it, but yeah, Spotify, LinkedIn, and Netflix, everywhere. Just check if that works. If it does, it's fine, but if it doesn't, what I do recommend doing now is to tap the power button, volume up button, click it, and here moving this white circle to the restart. Now you have to restart your phone, and now why is that? When we are restarting our phone, we are restarting the sensors, for example the gyroscope, previously mentioned gyroscope. And it's nice when the sensors are refreshed. The sensors are refreshed. It's because there might be some bug. And of course it's only a piece of text, so everything may be just bugged, and it's very easy to fix it. Now let's enter a pin code, and this would work now. But if it still doesn't work for you, go to the settings, scroll all the way down to the system and update, and tap software update. Here, if you do have any update out of your phone, it's because you may have some bug fix patch pending to update, and as you can see here they have some strange version. It's because there are a lot of patches for your phone, so be prepared that it may be here. But if you had the latest version and you know that you had this issue a lot earlier, go to the authorized service and let them your phone fix, because gyroscope may be just not working. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.